Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix your Instagram story cannot share on Facebook. So let's begin on it. So firstly you just need to open on your Instagram application. Now click on the bottom right corner your profile icon. Now here you can see this is your Instagram profile, and if you want to share your Instagram story to Facebook, but if you cannot do it, what should you do or how can you solve this problem? So for that you just need to click on the top right corner three line menu bar icon. Now select on settings, and after that select on privacy. Now select on story, and after that you just need to scroll down and there have option share your story to Facebook. You just need to enable this option. Now you need to type your Facebook email and password. After type your email and password, then you need to log in your Facebook, and after that you can share your Instagram story to Facebook, and this problem already solved. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.